yummy. Hey guys! We're the Gulay brothers. My name's Kenji and
I'm Wilford.
And we just got home from Walmart and we bought this. Whoa. And we're gonna show you how to make it, and we're gonna eat it and see you can see our reaction. We're gonna show you what's inside. Look. Marshmallow, a bag, and graham crackers, I think. Yep, it's graham crackers. 24 of them. And
chocolate.
Milk chocolate bar. Okay. And now we're gonna read this. We're to see what we're gonna do. Break chocolate bar into square pieces. Okay, chocolate bars. Whoa, this is cool. I'm going slowly, because what if it breaks stuff? Whoa. Guys, look at this.
Oh my gosh.
That's cool. It's so small. Okay guys, we open it and I think we just need 4.
Oh,
6? Okay. 8, yeah. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, that's perfect.
Yeah.
We need 8 only. And what else do we need?
Crackers.
We got number 2. Place 12 grams. We're just gonna do 4. Okay. 1, 2. Place 12 at number 2. It says place 12 gram crackers, but we're not gonna do 12 grams because that's a lot.
Yeah.
And we want to eat more. Yeah. So we just got 4. 4.
And then 8.
Yeah, 8 chocolate. We're just gonna do this.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I think we put
1 marshmallow.
Go. And the s'mores are done. Now they're ready for the microwave. Okay? And it's only 15 seconds. So let's put it in. It's so big now. Okay, we need to. The marshmallows are big. It's melted too. Wait, I want to put 1.
I'm gonna pick 1. This
I
one.
pick this one because it's so big. No, actually, no, I don't want that. I want this one.
No, just wait, don't eat it yet.
Okay. Okay, I want 1. Asher, you want some?
No.
Uh-oh. Wash it. Yeah. We're gonna compare something on the picture.
Yeah.
So we're gonna stack it. Ta-da! 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 This is, we're gonna eat it now, because look, it's already done. In 3, 2, 1.
Sorry, it's DJ.
There's chocolate and marshmallow. It's so yummy.
Yeah.
Right, Asher? You want to try it? Just one more bite. guys, we're gonna end this video now. Please subscribe the Gulay Explores Canada, and please leave a like and share this to your family and friends.
And
Bye.
comment below
If you like this video. Bye.